Hi guys, today I will explain how to add contract address in Trust Wallet. This process really simple and easy. The only thing is open your application. Once it will be open, you will see multiple cryptos, and if I scroll down, here you can also add more cryptos by clicking on the option Manage Crypto. But if you want to add your own contract address, then how can you do it? For this, take a look on the right top, you can see an icon. Just click on it. And here you can see all the cryptos are available. You can also search for your network from this list. But still, if you did not find, then click on this plus sign, which is on the right top. And here the first thing is, you have to select the network by clicking on it. And here, you can select your network. Once you will select, you need to enter the address of that contract, which you want to add in Wallet. And how can you do it? If you have access to their website or to their app, then go to that app or website and copy the address from there. Once you do, you have to enter the address of that contact. Once you will enter his name, symbol, and decimals will be picked by the Trust Wallet. You don't have to write by yourself. And once it will be filled, then scroll down and tap on the option Import. Then that will be imported in your Trust Wallet. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.